Hallo, ek is Etie. Welkom by my kanaal waar ons als saam doen. In this video, I am going to introduce you to the present tense of to have in Afrikaans. This word is also used to indicate past tense in Afrikaans, along with other words. It is also used to indicate future tense, coupled with other words in Afrikaans. But in this video, we are only going to look at the present tense and how to use this word in the present tense to indicate that you have something. The word that I'm talking about is het. Het is the Afrikaans word for have and has in the present tense. Like I said previously, het is also used in the past and in the future tense. But in this video, we are only interested in het in its present tense form. Right, now with that said, I have written a short story in Afrikaans, and I've also given the English translation where you can see in practice how het is used in a sentence and in a story. And then I've also given you the question form of het. How to ask, do you have in Afrikaans? How do you ask someone, do you have a pen? Do you have money? How do you do that in Afrikaans? So this video has the present tense, I have, you have, he, she has, and we also have, do you have? First, the story. I'm going to read the story to you, and you can use the story to practice first listening, but also to practice reading. You can switch the sound off if you want to practice only reading, and then after that we move on to the question form of het. Story. Ek het 'n huis. Ek het 'n huis. Die huis het 'n rooi dak en 'n hout voordeur. Daar is 3 slaapkamers en 2 badkamers. Elke badkamer het 1 toilet. Die klein badkamer het 'n stort en die groot badkamer het 'n bad. Elke badkamer het 'n pragtige spieël. My huis het ook 'n kombuis en 'n sitkamer met groot vensters. My gunsteling vertrek is die sitkamer, want ons hele familie kan daar sit en gesels. In Afrikaans, the word for present tense is teenwoordige tyd. You'll see on the right, it shows het in present tense means have and has. Afrikaans only has one word to indicate have and has. And that word het is used for all of the different pronouns. So on the left of the screen, you can see we have ek het, jy het, u het, julle het, sy het, hy het, ons het, hulle het, dit het, en almal het. Now, almal is the word for everyone. And in this case, everyone has, and in Afrikaans, almal het. Looking at the question form of het, you'll see on the left, I've given some examples of how to use het with all of the different pronouns to ask a question. And in the following clips, I'll take you through entire question sentences as examples so you can see how it is used. But if we read through the list on the left, it goes as follows. Het ek. So that's when do I have something. So het ek 'n sleutel? Do I have a key? And then the list goes down. Het jy or hulle or julle? Het jy of het julle? And that is do you have, the singular or plural form of do you have. And then we move on to het hy of sy, means does he or she have. And then we get to het almal, does everyone have. And then the last one, het dit, does it have. Okay, so some questions There are millions, but I've only given a few. This first one is Het jy 'n kerel? And that means, do you have a boyfriend? Het ek geld oor? Do I have money left? Het hy 'n kar? Does he have a car? Het ons brood? Do we have bread? Het almal genoeg kos? Does everyone have enough food? If you haven't subscribed yet and you like the content, please consider subscribing. If you've watched the video and you like the video, please remember to click the like button. That will just help my videos to be circulated more. And if you have subscribed, please remember to select the notifications and click the notification button so that you can see as soon as I upload a new Afrikaans video or any of my other videos. Baie mooi dag almal, sien julle in die volgende video.